So to update, you can go to the Apple menu on the top left and then click on System Settings, and then go to the General tab. Now once you go to General tab, now here you can see Software Update option. Click on Software Update and it will check for update, and here you can see the update. Now you can click on Upgrade Now and click on Agree, and then enter your Mac password and then click on OK, and here you can see it's downloading, and once the download is complete, it will install the update. Mac will restart during the update, and after the restart you can go to General and you can go to Software Update, and here you can see it has been updated. Now if you want to change the wallpaper, you can go to Wallpaper and you can select the new wallpaper. So this is how you can update it. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.